Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Jay Moody of Comtech Command Control. Jay, thank you for joining us. Now, innovation is the name of the game, and today at your stand at Satellite 2019 we've got an interesting piece of kit. Tell me a little bit more about it.
Yes, we're showing at the show our new micro-deployable XY deploy system. It's the smallest full-motion XY antenna system out in the market. It is basically a scaled-down version using the same technology, same software used in our larger systems. So basically, it's a new system we have here, 30-centimeter dish. We can actually go, it's about 40 pounds, 45 pounds. Can be taken on an airliner anywhere around the world, easily set up in a very short period of time. And this is actually the first of the smaller series by which we have this series going from 30 centimeters all the way up to two more bigger versions that go up to about 1.6 meters. And then of course we transition from that to our larger antenna systems going from 1.8 meters all the way up to 13 meters.
Now, how much of the innovation is being driven by the customers? What are you hearing from them?
Well, quite frankly, this little device we developed because a customer came to us and they wanted to have a lightweight, deployable system, full motion XY antenna system to track high-altitude UAVs for a system that they're developing, kind of internet nodes, if you will, using high-altitude pseudo-satellites instead of the regular, low-orbit satellites. So we developed this for Ka, Q, and even V-band. And it's available not only just for that type of application, but also for LEO and MEO satellite tracking as well.
Now, the advent of LEO constellations is changing everybody's thinking. How is it changing your thinking with regards product applications?
Well, it's an interesting thing about we've had this product line for over 16 years. So it was kind of a niche market until about 5 years ago, and so we really had a explosion in interest from industry. I like to tell people, the market has kind of come to us because we had this capability back years ago. So we have a very well-defined system, very well-defined product line, the most extensive product line of XY antennas in the industry, very well-developed software system. So we're able to really develop a complete package to any customer and type of package they need. So we have the technology, we have the capabilities, and we really done a great job of developing and maintaining this product line and expanding it now with our smaller systems and even with some of our bigger systems.
Now the satellite market is evolving and there are challenges. What do you see as the challenge going forward?
Well, I think that it's interesting seeing how the market is changing. It's been at least because we've kind of focused because the XY pedestal is really optimized for LEO and MEO tracking. It really has a great advantage in that over the elevation over azimuth type of antennas. So having developed that and really being able to focus that on a growing market, not just commercial-wise, because a couple of years ago the commercial was kind of the primary customer base. Now we have a very expanded U.S. government customer interest. So we're seeing a lot of growth in that area right now.
Well, Jay, interesting times. Thank you for talking to me today.
Thank you, Richard.